On the night of August 25, 2017, Hurricane Harvey struck Texas as a category 4 storm, leaving a rear-facing scan. 3 years later, work to repair the damage from Hurricane Harvey continued. But with determination and execution, Texas communities have made strong progress in recovery there. Hurricane Harvey was United States' second closest natural disaster, only behind Hurricane Katrina, which is the Gulf Coast in 2005 and caused more damage. Despite the high nature of the damage, federal, state, and local resource companies with support from non-profit organizations, volunteer hours, and donations have Texas continued to recover. Texas have so far been provided with 14.5 billion in funding, including subsidies, account level loan, and insurance, payment to reports home repair and replacement, and debt launching. The Federal Emergency Management Agency Insurance Grants Program has awarded, and the Texas Emergency Management Division has disbursed more than 2.1 billion in financial assistance to debris removal measures taken to prepare for Hurricane Harvey and basement repair and or replacement of public infrastructure. And FEMA's hazard mitigation grants program has provided 246 million in funding for projects to limit damage from natural disasters. While great strides have been made in recovery from Hurricane Harvey, there is still much work to be done. Many infrastructure projects have been identified for completion or start of operation. Suburban communities have seen roads being repaired or replaced. Government buildings are back in use and safer than through mitigation. Efforts and children are returning to school, and more residents return to either a repaired house or a completely different house. 3 years after Hurricane Harvey, Texas finds themselves in the midst of another hurricane season. This is a great reminder to purchase or renew a hazard insurance policy for the National Flood Insurance Program. After storm, about 92,000 Texans received an estimated 9 billion in flood insurance. Yes, many Texans without flood insurance have had to rebuild their life using their personal savings and whatever federal assistance they qualify for.